future demands constant innovation. It challenges our ability to adapt to change. The Mikron MILL P500U and 800U are 5-axis simultaneous milling machines that deliver power, dynamism and precision. Step-tech spindle combined with a precise direct-driven table transcends complexity and unlocks the potential for innovative design. MSP offers a unique machine and spindle protection in case of collision in any direction. Thermal stability and symmetric design guarantee long-term process reliability. Intelligent automation shortens cycle times and scales up capacity. Smart machine modules and services maximize quality and uptime. An agile machining solution that will transform today's challenges into the applications for tomorrow.